Good morning, friends. How are you all? So, how was your weekend? Enjoyed? I know that you must have no padhai, nothing else. So, you must have enjoyed without any tension. So, again, there is no tension again with our home assignment because it's very easy and very even creative and fun filled. Okay, now what we have learned today? We learned about color blue. Blue color. This is blue in color. This is blue in color. This is blue in color. So, all what you have to do, you have to fill color in a cloud. Light blue color. Okay? Parents, please draw a cloud in a piece of paper and give it to your child and ask him or her to fill the color blue color into it. Okay, so I just want to see how many you have done. Please share the pictures, or if you shoot a video, please share it to us. It will be fun for us as well to know how a child is now doing so well at home. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye, babies.